when my Lord decides. If my Lord would destroy the people of elephants with birds from the sky, each one holding stones of baked clay in cross. If he could drown Firaun, tyrant of Egypt, as he changed Musa and his people, only to be swallowed whole by the same sea he tried to control. If he could silence the arrogant Namrud who argued with Ibrahim, the tiny mosquito that entered his nose and tormented him to death, then why not now? Why not another tyrant hiding behind helmets? She sent her force with guns, with rifles, with bullets, with lethal weapons, raining down from choppers. Children just watching from their balconies fled. Nonsense. And the students, they weren't soldiers. They carried nothing but their voices. Still, they were burned. Burned even after death. As if killing wasn't enough. As if turning them to ash would silence what martyrdom can already make eternal. They forgot. For sure, they forgot. For every Firaun, a Musa is born. My Lord, He doesn't need tanks. He doesn't need drones. Sometimes He sends birds with stones. Sometimes He splits the sea. And sometimes He raises a boy from Dhaka or a girl from Chittagong who stands up and says enough. Let her shoot from the sky. Let her burn students' bodies. Let her try to break our backs. But when He decides, not even Firaun's army will take one more